Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here and welcome to episode 5 of my Fiverr journey where I look for amazing freelancers on Fiverr and get some amazing work done and also document the process to share it with you guys. Now, today's video is going to be really interesting guys because as you guys know, the latest Samsung S25 Ultra was recently launched. And you know, my team and I really thought that we should go above and beyond for creating a cinematic sequence of this phone right here and get it edited and basically share a very cool sequence with all of you here on YouTube and on my other social media accounts. So what did we do? We went ahead and shot a bunch of really high quality clips in S-Log and 10-bit, and now I thought what better way than to collaborate with Fiverr and go on Fiverr's amazing list of video editors and freelancers and find out some amazing editors who can edit this sequence for us the way it deserves to be edited, and then of course document the process and showcase the results with all of you watching. So what are we waiting for? Welcome back to a brand new video. Make sure to hit on that like button, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon so you don't miss any other video from us ever again. And with that said, let's get started. Now, of course, before we start, you guys already know about Fiverr. Fiverr is an amazing platform that connects artists and freelancers with people. And you can get some amazing services on Fiverr for a very effective value for money price point. Really, the past couple of videos that I have made with them and the kind of quality of work that I have gotten is absolutely top notch. So I would recommend all of you, if you're looking for this kind of work done, be sure to head to Fiverr from the link in the description below. Now, I am here to get video editing services. So all I'm going to do is open up Fiverr, you can too, from the link in the description. And from here, I'm going to navigate to video editing and of course, search for cinematic video editing and find some of the freelancers and look at their work and finalize 3 of them across 3 levels to make this cinematic sequence for the S25 Ultra. Okay, so we finalized 3 freelancers and this is the exact brief that we sent them. We sent the same brief to all of them and now it is totally up to them on how to edit this particular project. And of course, I am just as excited as you are. I'm going to show you the results and we will definitely discuss about it. Okay, so let's take a look at the first project. First up, we have Jay, who is a level 1 freelancer, and we have selected their basic editing package. At level 2, we have Fawad, who is a level 2 artist, and we are buying their basic package as well. And lastly, the Fiverr Pro at level 3 is Chandler Henry, and he has a lot of really high ratings, so I am very excited to see what he does with this project. And of course, we've also selected their basic package itself. Okay, so now that I've told you all the orders that we have placed and the assets and the brief that we have shared, here comes the fun part. Now I'm going to look for the first time at the results that I have received from all 3 of them and then show it to you guys as well, and then we can discuss about it. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comments below which edited video you guys like the most. And yeah, I'm really excited for your comments. Okay, so let's go to level 1. I'm very excited to see this because this comes in at a very attractive price point, and the video also, I am sure, is being edited really well. Now, most of the editors asked me if I wanted a trendy edit or a clean and minimal edit, and you guys know me, I obviously went for the clean and minimal edit. Here is the first edit from Jay. Okay, that was the first edit. What do you guys think about it? I think it's amazing value for money. For the price that I paid for it, this kind of editing, especially with footage as heavy as this, is very good. I really liked the effects that he used along with the audio track that he went with, and the match cut editing with the beats is right on point and it looks very good. I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Okay, here is the second video from Fawad and I'm gonna watch it right now. You guys can also have a look at it. Let me know what you guys think of it. Okay, wow, I really love this. I cannot even begin to explain how cool the first 4-5 seconds of this video are with the amazing sound effects that he has used and the color grading. In my opinion, it looks very cinematic and very moody, along with very trendy because of all the sound effects and the visual effects that he has added. It looks really good, and this is a solid 9.5 or even 10 out of 10 from my side, because it captures exactly what I wanted you guys to see, which is how great and cinematic this phone looks, along with some amazing sound effects to tie it all together. A solid 9.5 out of 10, Fawad. Thank you so much for this edit. I really like it. Okay, now it's time for the big guns to come out. At level 3, we have Chandler Henry. He himself has a lot of really high-end projects that he has worked on, so I was very excited, and he also said that the footage that we sent him was really good. So yeah, overall, I am just very excited to see the kind of results that he has given me. Let's take a look. Okay, so that was the final edit, and of course this is the most professional and clean out of them all. I specifically asked him to go for a professional edit compared to a normal trendy edit, because I felt like he really understood what the project was meant to be, along with the high quality shots. His color grade is also the most balanced out of all these three, and I really have to make no changes to this color grade. I can directly post it on YouTube or on Instagram and it will look absolutely fantastic. Chandler, you were the most expensive one in this price point, but I have to say I am totally happy with the results that you have given us. Clearly another 9.5 or 9.8 out of 10 from my side. Well guys, I sure am very satisfied with this project. Let me know in the comments below which edit do you guys like the most, level 1, level 2 or level 3, and based on the value for money quotient as well, let me know what you guys think. Overall, I had a blast working with these editors on Fiverr, and if you guys want to get similar work done from Fiverr or want to check out these freelancers, check out the links below. I will place their account links as well as a link to Fiverr's homepage, so you can get your first order starting very soon. And of course, because this video was in collaboration with the guys over at Fiverr, you can use the code Anubhav at checkout for your first order and get 10% off. So yeah, you're welcome for that, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.